How to find Facebook featured photos settings. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook featured photos settings. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the Facebook app itself, let's first visit the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and search for Facebook right at the search bar. So you're going to make sure if our Facebook app is up to date. Now, if it says open over here, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date. However, if that shows an update button, just tap on that so you will be updating your app and have the latest features within the app, especially being able to add featured photos on your profile. Once you have made sure that your Facebook is up to date, let's just head on and open Facebook over here. And from your homepage or from any other page, let's just click on our menu icon right at the bottom right hand corner so that we are going to be at the menu page. And from this menu page, let's click on this profile or this option that says see your profile so we can head on to our profile. So to find Facebook featured photo settings or the option to add your featured photos right at your profile, let's just simply click on this edit profile option right here beside add to story. And let's scroll down a bit from here and you should see the section that says featured. So this is where you can actually add your featured photos and stories for your friends to see. So just click on try it and you can add photos you want. You can also add from the uploaded photos or you can add photos from your camera roll. So I'm just going to click an uploaded photo right over here, and you can also select multiple ones. So I'm just gonna select 2, and once you have selected your photo, the photos you want to add to your featured photos, just click on next over here, and you can also type in a title, example, and you can also change the cover by clicking on this camera icon. I want to set at that, and you can also have the option to add more. Just click on done once you have set that all up and wait for it to load. And it should say featured collection added, and once we go back to our profile, you should see the section over here and you can simply add another featured photo folder again. So that is how you can basically find Facebook featured photo settings. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.